Bedtime story.
Hi kids! For today's book, we are going to read Pete's the Cat's Trip to the Supermarket by Kimberly and James Dean. If you have this book, grab it and let's start reading. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asked. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Dad starts to make a list. We need eggs and milk and fish and chicken. I want raspberries, says Bob. And I want apples, says Pete. Pete, Bob, and Dad make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Oh no! The wind blows the list out of Dad's hands. It's cool, says Pete. I think I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. First, they stop in aisle 10. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete, and cheese, says Bob, the stinky kind. Next, they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken, says Pete. They almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers eggs. Regular or jumbo? Asked Pete. Jumbo, said Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties? Asked Dad. Awesome, says Bob. Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apples, says Pete. Remember the raspberries, says Bob. In aisle 5, Dad tastes the hot dog. Yummy! In aisle 4, Pete tastes the cupcake. Sweet! Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish. Bob picks a popcorn. Brew! It's cold in aisle 2. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Aisle 1 has sunflower, tulips, and blue daisies. Pete and Bob pick tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything except the fish, says Dad. But their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time. The end. I hope that you guys like this book. And if you want to listen or watch for more, tune in. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and listening. See you next time.
For watching, don't forget to subscribe.